Hello everyone, welcome to class. As you know, I'm Miss Harmony Salu, and this topic is first aid treatment. So today, by the end of this class, you're expected to understand the meaning of first aid treatment, outline the benefits of first aid, understand who a first aider is, mention the qualities of a good first aider. So let's begin. Now, for a hear first aid treatment, it is the first or immediate treatment of an individual that is injured or sick. First aid is not a full medical treatment, but something that can be done to stabilize a person so that they can be moved to a hospital for regular medical treatment or to preserve life while waiting for medical professionals. First aid is a certification that is required for many professions and is available from a wide variety of institutions. Now let's look at the benefits of first aid treatment. Number one benefit of first aid treatment is that first aid can save life. Yes, in a case where there is no medical professional around you and you see someone, for example, had this particular cardiac arrest or he got involved in an accident, as a trained personnel, you know what to do at that point to save the person's life before a professional comes in. Then, number two benefit is that it can prevent escalation. Yes, first aid treatment help to prevent escalation because the efforts of the first aiders are directed toward prolonging the time the patient has until the ambulance arrives. If the patient is bleeding profusely, the first aider will not stitch the wound, but they will do their best to stop the bleeding until the ambulance arrives. In that way, they will prevent further complications and health deterioration. Another good benefit of first aid treatment is that it helps to relieve pain, which is pain relief. This is done only if it is in any way possible and it doesn't present a risk to the patient. Some pain relief medications can be dangerous in case a person is bleeding. Therefore, if not sure if the pain medication is appropriate, it is better to ask the medical experts first. Then the other good benefits of first aid treatment is that it promotes recovery. Every action that a first aider takes should be in the direction of helping the person who has suffered an injury or sudden illness get better. So promoting recovery usually means using the first aid kits. It is packed with the supplies that are necessary for the first aider to be able to help the person in need. You can understand that the time of providing the first aid is crucial. If your first aid is not well stocked or it is not there at all, that will be a big problem. So the next is the person administering it. Let's talk about this person that is going to administer the first aid treatment. So this particular person is known as a first aider, and a first aider is someone who is trained, someone that is trained to provide an initial assistance in case of an injury. This person is trained to provide an immediate assistance, an initial assistance in case of an injury or illness. Now, this particular person has some qualities that are suitable for this job. Now, a good first aider must be prompt and quick. As soon as an accident or injury takes place, the first aider should be prompt and quick to render help to the victim without delay. This particular person has another attribute, which is to be calm and controlled. As a good first aider, he or she should be calm and controlled sort of man because he has to take immediate action without any fuss or panic. A good first aider must be wise and intelligent. He should be intelligent and wise enough to decide the immediate treatment even before a complete diagnosis, especially in case of serious injuries and severe bleeding. Another good benefit qualities of a good first aider is that he or she must be resourceful. A good first aider has to be resourceful. He should be resourceful enough to make available his first aid material at once or get the required things on the spot for giving immediate relief to the victim. Now, another attribute of a good first aider is that it must be sweet tempered and sympathetic. The first aider should use sweet and encouraging words to lessen the victim's distress. He should keep the victim as comfortable as possible and should be able to allay the victim's fears with sympathy and so much more qualities. The first aider should be skillful and tactful. He should be dexterous and clever, confident and perseverance. The first aider should have full faith in his skill to administer whatever assistance the situation demands, even if there is no response initially. He should have perseverance and should not give up. It may take time for the patient to respond to his handling. Then the first aid box is a box or bag that contains all the kits or materials that are needed for first aid care. Now let's look at the contents of a first aid box. One is the bandage. The bandage is small but very important in the first aid box. Now the uses of this particular bandage is that it helps to protect wounds from infections. It also helps to hold protective equipment in place in order for it not to start moving or pulling out of that particular place you've used a wool on. So you have to also pack it, bandage it with it in order for it to stay tight. Then another content of a first aid box is an analgesic. It helps to relieve pains and it is mild to feverish condition. Embrocation is another first aid tool and it is used for massaging a swelling spot, for massaging strain and muscle. Now the cotton wool is another one. It is used for covering a wound for protection. Medicine is placed on the wound. Then splints is used for immobilizing fracture. Just in case someone has a fracture, it helps to immobilize, it helps to put the particular part in a place. It helps to hold a fracture in place before wrapping with a bandage. Now, the iodine is for arresting bleeding on fresh wounds. It also helps to hasten clotting of blood. Then the disposable gloves. These gloves they are also important in a way that they help the first aider to protect themselves from contacting an infection. Then we have the methylated spirit. It is used for cleaning a fresh wound, for hastening the blood from a cut or wound. And the sling. The sling is used for supporting dislocated joints, for supporting fractured arm, etc. So thank you for today. That brings us to the end of our class today. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and then I have my own assignment for you. Make sure you go through them and submit as soon as possible. The first question is differentiate between first aid treatment and the first aider. And two, enumerate the benefits of first aid treatment. That brings us to the end of our class today. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.